Hi everyone, so for today's problem, it says Rebecca is entering an art show. She will 3D print a sculpture made of wax using basic 3D geometric figures. The sculpture should be abstract, so she decides to stack a few random shapes together. She creates a square base of side length 20 and thickness 2. So she has a square base of side length 20. You can't read that, so I'm going to draw bigger. No, sorry. Okay, of a side length 20 and a thickness of 2. So she, on top of that, she built a cylinder of base radius 3 and a height of 36. She then stacks a circular frustum, which is basically a cone minus a cone. So it's basically this bottom part. It's like this. It's the volume of this bottom part. And then, so the first radius is 3, and the second radius is 8, and the height is 10. Finally, to complete this, she will build a sphere of radius 6 on top. So, as you notice, I won't draw them on top of each other because that just makes it very complicated. Anyways, so the volume of the base is just the length times the width. So the volume of this is just the length times the width times the height, which is 20 times 20 times 2, which is equal to 800 cubic centimeters. And the volume of this cylinder is just pi r squared times h. And since the radius is 3 and the height is 36, we know that this is equal to 3 squared times 36 times pi, and this is just equal to 324 pi. Next, for this, we have, so if you do the middle, cut it through the middle, then we get this triangle with this is 8, and if we draw the height here, this is 3, and we know that, this is equal to 10. So by similar triangles, we know that this triangle is similar to this triangle. And so basically, if we do similar triangles on this, and we let this length be A, then 3 over 8 is equal to A over A plus 10. And this makes A equal to 6. So the volume of the frustum is just the volume of the larger cone subtracted, the volume of the smaller cone subtracted from the volume of the bigger cone. The bigger cone has a height of 16, which I just got from 10 plus 6. So then, and the base radius is 8, so it's just the volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r squared times h, and r is 8 and h is 16, so it's 1/3 pi times 8 squared times 16, which is equal to 1024 over 3 pi. And the volume of the smaller cone has a radius of 3 and a height of 6. So it's 1/3 pi r squared h again. So r, in this case, r is 3 and h is 6. So it's 1/3 pi times 3 squared times 6, which is 18 pi. So the volume of this frustum is just 1024 pi minus 18 pi, which comes out as 970 over 3 pi. Right? Yeah, okay. So the volume of the frustum is this. The volume of the cylinder is this. The volume of the base is this. Now let's calculate the volume of the sphere. The volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. R is equal to 6, so it's 4/3 times pi times 6 cubed, which is equal to 144 pi. So now we just have to add all these numbers up. So we have 800 plus 144 plus 324. No. What am I thinking? Okay, so it's 800, that's right, plus 144 pi plus 324 pi plus 970 over 3 pi. So this is equal to 800 plus 400. So this comes out to 800 plus 2,374 over 3 pi, which is our answer.